Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these easy soft chocolate muffins with ingredients you already have at home. We will start by preparing the dry ingredients. In a bowl, we'll add 270 grams of all-purpose flour, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 10 grams of baking powder, 3 grams of baking soda, and 1.5 grams of salt. Mix everything together to properly combine. Next, we will prepare our wet ingredients. In another bowl, add 3 whole eggs, 200 grams of white sugar, 15 ml of vanilla flavor, mix very well. Next, we will add 120 ml of milk, 120 ml of vegetable oil. Then we mix. After mixing, we will transfer the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. We mix very well until everything is properly incorporated. After mixing the two together, you should have a consistency like this. Next, layer your muffin tins with muffin paper, then scoop the batter into the muffin tins. Don't fill the batter all the way up. You have to leave room because the cake will rise and you don't want it spilling all over. Next, we'll bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the cake to cool down completely. These muffins are soft and moist and they are tasty. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe. I would also love to read about your questions, your suggestions, your opinion. I would appreciate it if you could kindly support the channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.